Welcome to Engine Explorer, my YouTube channel. Today we are taking a deep dive into the 2026 Winnebago Luxury Motorhome, a vehicle that pushes the boundaries of comfort, technology, and road trip living. Winnebago has always been a household name in the motorhome world, but this new model is more than just an upgrade. It's a complete reimagining of what a luxury motorhome should look and feel like. From the outside, the 2026 Winnebago carries a bold, futuristic design. The body is sleek and aerodynamic with elegant curves, chrome accents, and adaptive LED lighting systems that give it a commanding presence on the road. The massive panoramic windshield offers an incredible front view, making every drive scenic. Multiple expandable slide-outs extend at the push of a button, instantly transforming the motorhome into a spacious retreat. The exterior storage compartments are larger than ever, designed to handle long journeys without compromise. Step inside and the real luxury reveals itself. The interior feels like a high-end apartment on wheels. Premium leather seating, hardwood finishes, and customizable ambient lighting create an atmosphere of sophistication. The open floor plan flows naturally from the living area to the kitchen and into the master suite. Smart climate control, soundproof insulation, and noise-canceling windows ensure that whether you are parked in the middle of a bustling city or deep in the wilderness, peace and comfort follow you everywhere. The kitchen is designed for serious cooking and entertaining. It comes with stainless steel appliances, a full-size refrigerator, induction cooktops, convection oven, and even a wine cooler. Countertops are crafted from durable quartz, and there's ample storage for everything from pots and pans to fine dinnerware. This kitchen rivals those found in modern luxury homes. Moving to the bedroom, the master suite includes a king-size bed with memory foam technology, underbed storage, and a large walk-in wardrobe. The integrated smart entertainment system allows you to stream movies right from bed. The attached bathroom is spacious with a full glass shower, dual sinks, and premium fixtures that give it a spa-like feel. Technology is at the heart of the 2026 Winnebago. The digital cockpit features a fully customizable display with real-time navigation, driving assistance, and safety alerts. Voice control systems manage lighting, entertainment, and climate with ease. Solar panels and advanced battery packs reduce reliance on traditional hookups, making off-grid adventures longer and more sustainable. On the road, the driving experience is smoother than ever thanks to adaptive suspension, advanced driver assistance features, and a powerful hybrid drivetrain that balances performance with efficiency. The 2026 Winnebago Luxury Motorhome is not just about travel.